United Arab Emirates, UAE-based Calidus has showcased a new light attack turboprop at the Dubai Airshow 2021, designated the B-350. The aircraft is a scaled-up version of the B-250 from the same company, which had the general form and capabilities as the Embraer Super Tucano. In contrast, the B-350 is very significantly larger, with a wingspan of about 50 feet, 15.5 meters, and an all-up weight of about 20,000 pounds, 9 tons. This puts the aircraft into the same weight and size category as the Vietnam-era Douglas A-1 Skyraider, and the aircraft does, in many ways, resemble that aircraft, particularly in the wall-to-wall array of underwing pylons and stores presented on the aircraft at the show. Where it differs, of course, will be in the technology employed in the mission systems, the weapons and sensors, and in the use of a turboprop engine, the 2600 horsepower Pratt & Whitney Canada PW127. The B-350 will have an endurance of 7 hours, a range of 350 kilometers, and a service ceiling of 35,000 feet. The manufacturer added that it is to be built from largely composite materials and equipped with the same Collins Aerospace Pro line.